As you can see, we are clocking and out there, and we have 0 average performances. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Why most people quit on fitness? I can tell you a few reasons why this happens, and it always results into people rushing. A few months ago, I wanted to see how much weight I could lose in 1 month. If you want to see those videos, they will be linked below. There's a part 1, 2, and 3 of that video, where I lost anywhere between 15 and 20 pounds. When you are new to the gym and new to fitness and new to trying to get your body together, that sounds exciting. 20 pounds, 15 pounds, 10 pounds in 1 month. I am ready to do that. And I'm going to tell you, that is the worst way to start off your fitness journey. I'm going to tell you why. For one, this type of change in diet really causes insomnia, where you can barely sleep. It happened to me around like day 4. And with losing sleep, that causes loss of energy. And loss of energy is going to result to you having loss of interest to work out. You don't want that, especially when you're new to the gym. You see, people try to overcomplicate this thing when it comes to the deficit. When you are new to the gym, just think about working out. Think about working out, lifting weights. When it comes to the weightlifting, that's going to help hold your skin up and make you look more full in the full effect. And then you add in the extra ingredient, the secret sauce, which is cardio. That's going to take your workouts from looking like this to now like this. Make sure to get you something like a Fitbit or Apple Watch or whatever type of Android watch if you have like an Android. You got to keep up and track how much you are doing. If you don't know how much you are burning in the gym, you're going to only be trying your best to just burn that off with your plate. And you don't want to do that, especially when you're first starting. You need that food to fuel you. I don't care how much you eat. Right now, we're not gonna even touch our plates. Right now, we're just not gonna do it. We're just gonna work out and do some cardio. And then over time, you start getting that encouragement to say, you know what? Now I want my muscles that I built up over these past few months to show more. Then you start incorporate taking less and less off your plate. And then you go into clean eating. But if you try to do it too fast, I'm telling you, you try to do these, I want to lose 10, 20, and 30 pounds in 1 month. It is possible on the scale, but it is going to make you lose energy. And then it's not real weight, it's not real fat. It's more or less water weight, which is going to cause you to be dehydrated. And dehydration is what makes you lose a lot of energy. Because water, when you're hydrating yourself with water all the time, it's going to give you the energy. It's going to give the energy alongside your food. Water is almost better than when it comes to working out. Man, that's the best thing going. The best thing going. That's better than any type of pre-workout or whatever. As long as you stay hydrated, that's going to that's going to give you the energy you need. But if you are going too fast, if you are doing all these extreme diets, such as keto, such as carnivore, um, just cutting so much off of your meal plan that you've been eating on a regular, you're going to regret it and it's going to make you quit. You're going to quit faster than last time, as Greg Doucette would say. You're going to quit faster than last time. Fitness is supposed to be enjoyable. It is a fun journey to watch your body change over the amount of time it's going to take, however long it takes. Each week, each month that goes by, and you see a change in your body, you're going to be happy about it. But if you try to rush those effects and try to get it by the summertime, as most people try to do when the wintertime comes around, I don't know what it is about people in the wintertime. This is the hardest time to actually work out, to be honest. If you could ask me, the wintertime is the hardest time to work out. But most people choose to want to work out at the turn of the year. They come to New Year, new me, and now they're trying to go to the gym and look good by the summertime. It's less sun outside, which is less energy. You know, the sun gives us energy. It's more cold. It's one of the most suckier times to work out. But a lot of people try to rush in that time. So that's why you don't want to rush this thing. Because it's already cold outside and it's not enough energy from the sun for one. And then you losing more energy by trying to eat in a deficit so deep. A lot of y'all couldn't have your calorie intake that you've been eating. That is a lot. Plus working out, you're putting yourself in too deep of a hole that you're not going to be able to survive. When it comes to working out, this is not a survival thing. This is something for our health. Doesn't matter what way you want to go with it, what particular exercise that you are doing. You are in this for the long haul. This is for the foreseeable future. Not just for the summertime, not just for the upcoming wedding, not for the upcoming concert, not to be uploading on Instagram. You know, it's not for that. This is for you. And everything else, just enjoy the journey. Let everything else just be the journey. We want to make sure that we feel good and healthy and have fun with this while we are doing it. It's already hard enough for us to get up, cook every day, and then go to the gym and do all this. It's already hard enough to do that already because it's extra. And now you're going to deplete yourself by eating half of your calories or eating a third of your calories. Like, man, it's already, you're too new. It's not going to work. I'm over 50 pounds down. I've tried all of this. I've done it. Let me be the example. Let me struggle for you. I've struggled for you. I went through the pain of trying to rush it. Nothing beats slowing down. Nothing beats it. Nothing at all beats it. You know, like I said, focus on weightlifting, cardio after. Few months go by, then start depleting your calories. Because if you go from not working out to working out, if you did not know, that's putting you in a deficit anyway. That's already putting you in a calorie deficit because you wasn't burning those calories off, and now that you are working out, you are burning those calories. What's the point of trying to overdo it? But that's not what they try to tell you though. Everybody trying to sell you something. But that's all I got for y'all today. I love y'all. Shalom.